Welcome to back my channel Car Rides, your trusted source for defense tech, automobiles, and futuristic reviews. Today, we bring you an exclusive feature on the most advanced tactical air-to-surface missile of its kind, the 2026 AGM-114 Hellfire missile. Stay with us till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such in-depth tech and defense reviews. The AGM-114 Hellfire missile series has undergone continuous innovation since its introduction, but the 2026 variant brings a new standard of precision and adaptability. This missile is designed for diverse combat environments, capable of being launched from helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles, and ground-based platforms. What sets this 2026 version apart is its state-wise capability to handle various terrain, electronic countermeasures, and combat scenarios across global theaters. For the mountainous terrains and border control regions such as the Rocky Ranges or the Himalayas, the AGM-114 2026 variant comes with a terrain recognition AI chip that allows precision strikes even in the most challenging landscapes. In coastal states where naval and amphibious operations dominate, like Florida, California, or South China Sea regions, the missile can now integrate sea-skimming trajectories, minimizing detection and maximizing impact. This makes the Hellfire a vital part of modern coastal defense arsenals. Urban warfare states or countries with dense city structures like New York, Tokyo, or Paris can benefit from the Hellfire's upgraded low collateral warhead system that ensures pinpoint targeting with minimal peripheral damage, which is critical for minimizing civilian risk during conflicts. The 2026 Hellfire is also integrated with advanced GPS denial technology, essential in electronically jammed battle zones such as Eastern Europe and Middle Eastern urban warfronts. For states relying heavily on drone warfare such as Nevada, home to many USAF drone operations, or global military powers like Israel and Turkey, the missile's UAV launch capacity is now even more seamless, offering plug-and-play compatibility with multiple drones like the MQ-9 Reaper and other battlefield UAVs. In industrialized military states like Texas, Virginia, or states involved in arms production, this missile reflects the pinnacle of U.S. military R&D, emphasizing energy efficiency, faster lock-on times, and improved data link technology for real-time target updates. The 2026 Hellfire missile proves itself as an all-rounder weapon designed for unity across multiple states of warfare, whether it's land, sea, urban, electronic, or high-altitude operations. This versatile capacity ensures the Hellfire remains the go-to solution for modern military forces across various combat situations globally. In conclusion, the 2026 AGM-114 Hellfire missile